Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness, give me some of that.
Hi guys, Mstoofine, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to unbox the Boxycharm box for October, and I haven't unboxed a box, unboxing it like this. I usually do a tutorial, but I wanted to, you know, just unbox it. I did, however, use these two items on my face in this makeup tutorial, which I will pop up here or here, so you guys can go ahead and check it out with me using this. But aside from that, I will unbox this month's box. And you know, I did not even calculate what this month's box is, and so I'll do it as I go along. So the theme for this month is alter ego, and so the first item of this month's box is this It Cosmetics mascara. And you guys know I did get this mascara in my, I think when I had Ipsy, and so I got the sample size. So now this is the full size, and if I love the sample size, well, obviously the sample size and the full size are the same thing, so I'm just happy. And the cost for this is $24. So I'm tallying this as I go along. I'm kind of thirsty, a long time I talk, I'm not telling you no lie. So the next item of this month's box is this Dermovia lace appeal black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. And you know, I see persons using this to do like videos before tutorials. I would want to use this and then not put anything on my face, so I guess I'll just record removing my makeup and, you know, doing this. I think I'm gonna do this tonight, so you guys can see me trying this out. And the cost for this is $30. Another item of this month's box, it's this the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette, and this is what it looks like. And as I said, I did use this in this tutorial. I use it most on my cheeks though for blush and highlight, so I actually like the blush and highlighter. It's really nice. And the cost for this is $38, so I'll definitely be using it in my tutorials. And so I got this Kat Von D lip. It's this liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Bow and Arrow, and this is right up my alley because it's nude. I wanted to use this tonight, but I was just using a pink lip for breast cancer month, and so I didn't get to put this on, but I'll definitely use it for you guys. This is the shade, however, and the cost for this is $20. I got this hair treatment. It's called Briogeo or Brio. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'll spell it on the screen for you. This is a Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask, and this is something for hair, so I will try it. I think I get a sample size. I don't think I use it, so I need to try the hairspray. You know, I'm kind of sort of afraid of putting anything in my hair, so even though it's not easy to, you know, break down, or should I say damage. So yeah, and the cost for that is $16. So the total cost for this month's box is $128. So, you know, I kind of like this. I think I love this palette. I think I love this box. So my favorite in this month's box is, of course, the mascara. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. I will definitely leave a link for this subscription box in the comment section, because you guys don't read the description box. So bye babies.